In this video, I will show you how students can get Claude AI Pro for free. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now you want to search Education Claude AI. Then go ahead and select this first website, which is Education Claude by Anthropic. Go ahead and click on that. Now once you're on this page, click on the Contact Our Education Team option. Now as you can see, there are two programs over here. The first one is Apply to be a Claude Campus Ambassador, and the second one is Sign up to be a Student Builder. You can select whichever program you want, then fill up information such as first name, last name, school email, phone number, job title, institution name, and other details. Now you also want to make sure that the applications are open in your country. As you can see, the applications are already closed in my country, but if it is open in yours, you want to fill up all the details and submit the form. If one program is closed, try the other program. Fill in your information and submit. After that, you want to wait for the reply via email from the team. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.